Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firebase CLI for deploying web apps step by step clearly. First, open your terminal or command prompt on your computer. Make sure you have Node.js installed, as Firebase CLI requires it to run. To check if Node.js is installed, type Node v and press enter. This command will display the installed Node.js version if it's present. If it's not installed, download Node.js from the official Node.js website and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once Node.js is installed, you can install the Firebase CLI. In your terminal, type npm install g Firebase tools and press enter. The G flag installs Firebase CLI globally on your machine. Wait for the installation to complete, this may take a minute. After installation, verify that Firebase CLI is installed successfully. Type Firebase version in your terminal and hit enter. This command should output the version number of Firebase CLI. Now, you can log in to your Firebase account. Type Firebase login and press enter. A web browser will open, prompting you to log in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize Firebase CLI with your account. Once you have logged in, return to your terminal. You are now ready to create and deploy your web apps using Firebase. If you want to initialize a new Firebase project, navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Type Firebase in it and press enter to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts to select the features you want to use. When prompted, choose to set up hosting and follow the additional instructions. After initializing your project, you can deploy it using Firebase CLI. To deploy, type Firebase deploy and press enter. Firebase CLI will build and deploy your web app to your Firebase hosting. Once the deployment is complete, the terminal will display the hosting URL. You can now visit that URL to see your deployed web app live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.